Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got this, I don't know, early 90s hunk of junk air conditioner. It gets pretty hot down here in the basement, the work area, so I thought it'd be cool to hook it up. I got this new air conditioner right here because I'm not sure if this one's working efficiently. Found this one out in the woods. It was in a pile with other AC units. The other AC units were really badly damaged. This one runs though, and I can hear the compressor running. I just wanted to know if someone could help me figure out how to tell if this air conditioner is no good. So when I turn it on, blows air, right? Thermostat controls are a little broken. Look. Oh, maybe it doesn't want to do it. What? Alright, see you, look. Seven. Keep it at 7 because 8 doesn't work. Alright, so then if I switch it to like low cool, I want you guys to tell me if the compressor is no good, because if it's not, I'm going to throw it in the trash. I mean the air compressor. The whole entire thing itself. See, it makes that weird, I don't know, that makes that weird sound right there. I don't know what that means. It kind of feels like it's getting colder. Those things are a real hunk of junk, so I don't know if it's a... Well, never mind. I just crapped out the power outlet. But that sound that you heard before, can you guys let me know what that is? Alright, that's it. Bye.